Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a company that sent me this camera for free. They are going to be super pissed at me, but what I like to do is tell and keep my subscribers in the know. So this is going to be a very bad video for them, and they're asking me, oh, when do you get the video done? When do you get the video done? I go, as soon as I get the camera. So I got a chance to overview this camera just a couple of minutes ago. I did a whole video on it and how to set it up and everything like that, but I'm going to tell you to stay clear of this freaking thing. Holy crap. Anran, A-N-R-A-N. Do not buy the 4G version of this camera. It uses the software called CloudEdge. Great piece of software. I have so many other cameras that use that particular software. I got 2 on the boat. I got 1 on the front of the house. It's a great software package for cameras such as this. However, this one happens to be a 4G and supposedly Wi-Fi camera, but it doesn't work on Wi-Fi. Soon as I removed the SIM card from this device, the video stopped. Okay, so we're recording the screen. So I'm going to eject I don't even have the SD card in, because the SD card, the 32 gig SD card that came with it, is broken. Doesn't work. So let's see if it requires 4G. Let's just check this out, see if it ejects and stops working. Holy crap. It stopped working. So it's not even on Wi-Fi. Even though I set it up for Wi-Fi, it's not working. It's going over 4G service. Stay clear of this company. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I was like, wait a minute. So, and it's forcing you to buy a package. So the 4G package is ridiculously expensive. 3 gigs of data, valid for 30 days, is almost $21 a month. Then you have $40 a month, 6 gig. Then you have 36 gig, which tells you that this uses a lot of data, for $225 a month, a year, excuse me, a year. That's ridiculous. For this? No way. Absolutely not. So the amount of traffic that comes with it right now, traffic in use, I'm using, it says residual flow is 90 megs a second, or meg, whatever that says, I'm not sure. Used traffic is 9 megs. I have 90 left. It expires November 4th. So that's part of a free trial. But so it's 100 meg. 100 meg, not 100 gig, 100 meg. So I just had it on for a few seconds and I used 9 megs of data. That's ridiculous. So it requires you to have the 4G connection on this, otherwise the camera will not work. It starts flashing like this. So this requires 4G. So do not go near the 4G. I'm actually going to box this up. I'm going to power this thing off. Who gives a shit? This thing is a piece of crap. This ain't, I'm not using 4G. You're out of your mind. Power this thing down. No way. Let's put the crap back in it. So this is a video on to stay clear of, and I can't believe the 32 gig memory card is broken. So it's supposed to make it enticing. Comes with a 32 gig card. It does 4G. It also does Wi-Fi. Incorrect, incorrect, incorrect. It does 4G, but it only operates on 4G. It will not operate on. So that means they're actually monitoring you. They're looking at you, at your information and stuff. So let me get that broken SD card. Well, you know what? That's one of the negative things. If you make a product, see, that's what's different with JoeteckTips, is that I make sure I keep the manufacturer honest. If the product is a piece of shit, I'm going to let you know about it. And that's what this is. And this is a biggest piece of shit. It should not be functioning only on 4G. That means you're forced to get their service. And that's not right. You should have that option. So, all the other cameras I've reviewed that does not require 4G, buy. They're great. I have a whole bunch of them. This particular one sucks balls, and I wouldn't even go near it. It's a shame. It can't even see the freaking can't even see the SD card that's in there, and it doesn't matter because it's broken anyway. So let's disconnect this piece of crap. Oh well, this is the first camera ever that gets an epic fail. Epic fail. Biggest piece of crap ever. Well, you know what? I don't really care if the company is upset. You don't force people to buy your 4G service. You just don't do that. You give them the option to use something else, not its own. That's stupid. Dumb. So this goes back in the box, and we don't use it ever. Kiss my ass. Sorry. This is, this is the whole point of you got to be honest with your people. And if you're gonna snow, and I don't, you know what? You guys know I'm an Amazon associate, so I get residual. I get commission on the stuff I sell. This I do not want you to have at all. It's such a shame. It looked like it was going to be a good product, but nope, not happening. So just in case they want it back, because after they see this review, they're going to probably ask me to send it back, but not happening. So, I mean, I'm not going to send it back because it's going to cost way too much money. They'll have to pay for it. All right, I'm not sure how I'm going to get this in there without losing this piece. You know what? I'm just going to drop it in there. I'm not going to use it anyway. Wow, that sucks. 4G solar. Well, like I told you, I may actually use the solar panel on a different device because it's much bigger and much better. So let's put the solar panel back in. I forgot to do that. But nonetheless, if I don't use it, it's a shame. I've never really given bad reviews except for this one. And I waited a little while for it because, I wanted to, I don't know, whatever. And for Anran, I don't know, it's kind of, it looks like Anran. It looks like a number 4 as well. So, Anran, do not buy it. Please don't. Please don't. I'm not going to have a link in the description below. I will not. So you can't make that mistake in buying this piece of shit. Make sure you buy non-4G. I'm sure they make a better product, but they should not be forcing you to get their 4G service for this product. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Such a shame. I wasted like an hour and a half recording a video on this, and it took forever to actually detect on the system. I mean, it shouldn't do that. Shouldn't do that at all. It should. All my other cameras that I've had that uses CloudEdge work perfectly. Take care, guys.